Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to APSEC online support program. This is the tutorial video for class 4 maths. Textbook New Syllabus Primary Mathematics, page number 107 till 114, chapter 5 Angles. Topic is measuring and drawing angles. Resource required are textbook, laptop or computer, workbook and internet resources. Today we will learn how to measure angles and how to draw angles. Clear? Today's thought of the day is kindness is the key that opens the lock of every heart. So always be kind with others and talk in a very soft manner with others, especially with your youngers. Our today's objective is we will revise the concept of measuring angles and drawing angles. As we all know that we have done this concept in OSP round 2, so we will today revise it only. Our topic is measuring angles and drawing angles. Is it clear? For recap, I am asking a single question. What is an angle? Do you remember what is an angle? Yes, an angle is the figure formed by two rays or line. And you also can say that when two lines met at a single point, it make an angle. Clear? Now, tell me the name of different types of angles. Okay, this is the time for the recap of types of angle. So, start reading the types of angles with me. The first one is acute angle. Angles that are having measurement from 0 to 89 degree. If we starting from 0 to 89, that is acute angle. The right angle is the L-shaped angle, that is exact 90 degree. Obtuse angle are those angles which are more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Straight angle, the straight angle whose measurement is 180 degree, and reflex angle that are more than 180 but less than 360 degree. Now our topic is measuring angle. Do you remember how can we measure angles? No? Okay. We can measure an angle using a protractor. Clear? We measure angles in degrees and this is your protractor. Have you seen this protractor ever? Yes, we have already done it. We have already measuring our angles by using this protractor. The symbol degree is a stand for degree. A small circle we are writing on the numbers and we will read it degree. Clear? Okay, look at this protractor. How do we use a protractor? Look at this blue line and the blue arrow. This blue arrow is actually showing center of baseline. Mean the blue line that is actually the baseline. Clear? Now see the protractor again carefully. You can see the red part where this is called outer scale of protractor. Clear? And a pink part that is the inner scale of the protractor. And I've already told you that the blue line which is showing on the protractor, that is actually the baseline. Clear? Measuring angles. An angle is already given to us in the example. We have to measure the given angles. Look at the angle carefully. The blue line actually showing the angle. Right? Place the base of the protractor on the baseline BC. Have you seen it? We have already placed our protractor on the baseline. Make sure that the center of the baseline is placed on B. Mean place Point B should be on the center. Now start reading from the inner scale. Start reading from the 0. Okay, start reading 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Look at this. The point A is actually exact on 90 degree. So we will read this angle like angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Is it clear? Another example of measuring angles. The angle is given to you are XYZ and you have to read it. What is the measurement of this angle? Place the base of your angle on the protector, the baseline of the protector. Now see, you have to place your baseline of your angle, that is YZ, and you have to place it on the baseline of the protector. Make it sure that you center, the center of the protector should be met at the point Y, that is actually the vertex of angle XYZ. Clear? Now start reading from 0 till 45. Right? Look, the angle is angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now this is acute angle. Clear? Because it is less than 90 and more than 0 degree, so that is an acute angle. Is it clear? Time for the next part of the angles, that is drawing angle. It is our subtopic of our main topic is drawing angles. Do you remember? How can we draw an angles? Yes, we can draw angles using a pencil, ruler and a protector. The basic tool which is using for drawing angles, that is protector. Reminded that we are measuring angles in degree and the symbol is degree. Clear? Okay. Now start the topic. First of all, we have to follow some steps for drawing angles. Step 1. Draw a straight line and a small marking at the center. Look, we have to draw a line and make it sure that you will place a small marking in the center, as you have already seen in your picture given on the slide. And then place the baseline of the protector on the line that you have drawn. Clear? Like this. Now look, step 2. Find the mark of 140 degree, because we have to draw an angle of 140 degree. So mark with the dot like this. Place your protector on the line and your next step is to mark at 140 degree. Clear? Now the step 3 is remove the protector and then connect the dot to the center of your line. You have already done at the first step and you have to just match the dot with the line which is lying on the, and this line should be matched with the center. Okay, make it sure. Now the step 4 is label the angle. Now take a quick recap of drawing angles. All the first step we have draw a straight line and then we marked in the center, and by using a protector we marked at 140 degree, and then we draw a line to connect the dotted point to the center of the baseline, and the last point is to label the angle, and the angle is angle ABC is equal to 140 degree. Clear? Success criteria. Mark in the center of a line and place it on the protector or baseline. Clear? Mean that you have to place your protector properly on the baseline, and the mark you have drawn on your line, it should be exactly on the center of the baseline of your protector also. Clear? Use either outer scale or inner scale at a time. Mean that you have not to draw both the scale at the same time. Make it sure when you are drawing an angle, select a single scale. Clear? Measure it carefully. Whenever you are measuring angles or drawing angles, make it sure that you will read your scale carefully, and also always check your work again. The double check is the most important when you are drawing angles or measuring angles. Now this is the time for the task. Solve workbook page 85 and 86, question number 1 and 2 by yourself. Thank you.